So guys, you may have seen these kind of channels and they are getting millions of views, millions of subscribers and so much traffic to their channel, and their shorts are pretty awesome, and they are, as you can see on the screen, they are getting so many shorts which is having millions and millions of views. But I want to tell you one thing, that apart from all these, there are some things which we have to discuss. Let's get into it. I know these numbers are great, but the thing is, we should all know the fact that YouTube allowed original content. That means if you copy someone else's content, you have to edit it properly or modify it or add some value, add some commentary reporting, whether it is adding some reaction, adding some commentary, and giving your opinion, adding your own voiceover, and give some value, or editing, or just edit like this. Then only YouTube allow you to use it. Otherwise, if you just use clip. Have a look at these channels, right? So as you can see, these channels are great, doing awesome, but they have added a line in each and every shorts that this content doesn't belong to us. We does not own this content. If you want, if you think this content is yours, just contact us. We will discuss this. We'll remove this. Mention fair use. But the thing is, that the real thing is that someone at some day, any day, can claim on this, and they were getting claims and copyright strikes on their channel, and that video will not be monetized because the owner thinks that this property owns to them. If the video is not properly edited, and if they have not properly added value to it, just adding text and those subtitles will not work. You have to add your own voice, you have to give reaction, give opinion, and edit it properly, like using very short clips, and then only these kind of things will work. See guys, these motivational videos and podcasts and there's some sports shorts are great, and they will be successful because they are having some celebrities and influencers in it, so definitely they are getting traffic and you will get a lot of views and subscribers through it. But the main point is to earn money through YouTube AdSense, and if you will getting so many claims, definitely your channel can get demonetized. So I always think about making your own content, and at least add your own voiceover over any clip. That's highly important. Now you have two choices. If you are making this kind of content, you have two choices. Be ready that you can get a claim or strike from somewhere. Just claim from a podcast, from a owner of these clips, because YouTube algorithm is very they will find anyway. Okay, so your content is not gonna hide. Your content is public. So now you have two options, guys. The first one is keep doing this thing and getting so many subscribers and traffic to your channel and monetize in different ways. For example, if you put affiliate links or book reviews in between these shorts or in the long form videos, and if you write an article over a blog, you can drive these traffic onto your websites or onto your affiliate links. So from there you can earn money, and yeah, it will work if you have a good connection with your subscribers, if you have a good connection base, and if you interact properly in community posts, then definitely this thing will work for you. There are cases that some of these channels will work, alright. So but we cannot assure it for forever. Like, you guys can get claim at just 2 years after your channel. Just imagine guys, all those hard works and your channel got demonetized. That's my concern. If you put some effort, you have to it for yourself and for forever. There is a channel that I have seen from so long, that is Carnilo, and you guys can see he's uploading so many motivational shorts, and they upload long form videos. So if you are lucky and didn't get any active claim and your channel is currently monetized, okay, so I'm not sure like if this will work or not, but if your channel is monetized, you can upload long form videos too, in order to collect revenue from long form videos also. Okay, so but you have to successfully not getting any claim for so long of consisting uploading shorts for this thing to happen. And the second thing that is the best thing that you can do is to add your at least voice over any short and narrate the story or the fact that you want to tell, or edit it properly, and just edit it and give some reaction, give some value to it. It will be definitely work, guys. It will definitely work. I don't mean to show your face, but if you add just your voiceover, definitely it will be work. It will work. So make sure you follow these things, guys. And revenue. Okay, so the main thing is, all we do is to some do as a hobby, but our main focus is to earn a good amount of money from our channels. So if you guys upload shorts, but so I want to tell you one thing, that shorts is getting less revenue from in compared to long form video. Okay, so there is a thing that if you invest, if you create thousands of shorts and your shorts are getting billions of views, then the money that you got from it will be equal to just 2 viral videos compared if they are long form videos. Yes, guys, that's true. The revenue from short is very, very, very less. I encourage you to watch this video, why we should not mainly focus on making shorts. You guys right over here. Thank you, and subscribe.